In this video, I will tell you how to installing Visual Code Studio. First of all, you should download VS Code. Visit the official website at the Google. Click on the download for your operating system button. Step number 2. Run installer. Once the download is complete, run installer executable file. Step number 3. Follow installation wizard and follow the installation wizard instructions, choosing your preferred settings. And step number 4, launch VS Code. After installation, launch VS Code from the Start menu window or applications using Visual Studio Code. Step number 5, user interface. Familiarize yourself with the VS Code interface, which includes the menu bar, activity bar, sidebar, and editor area. Step number 2, create or open a project. Create a new project or open an existing the one using the file menu. Step number 3, text editing. VS Code is primarily a code editor. Start typing or open an existing file for editing. Step number 4, save and undo. Use Ctrl plus S or Command S to save your changes. Step number 5, IntelliSense. Enjoy IntelliSense features such as auto completion and suggestion as you type some code. Step number 6, themes and color schemes. Customize the editor's appearance with the different themes and color schemes from the extension view. Step 7, version control integration. Use the built-in versions control features to manage changes using Git. Access them through the source control icon on the activity bar. Integrated terminal. Open the integrated terminal using Ctrl plus window button to run commands without leaving the editor. Step number 9, debugging. In the debugging section, you can set up breakpoints, inspect variables, and debug your code by using the debugging features in VS Code. Step number 10, extensions. Explore the vast collection of extensions available in the Visual Studio Code marketplace. The next step in the Visual Studio Code is you can installing various extensions as per your need. And these extensions will help you a lot while you working in your VS Code. For installing extension, open extension view. Click on the extension icon in the activity bar on the side. Step number 2, search for extensions. Use the search bar to find extension based on functionality, language support, or themes. Step number 3, install extension. Click on the extension to view detail and install it. Alternatively, install extension directly from the command line. Step number 4, recommended extensions. Consider popular extensions such as ESLint or for JavaScript linting or Python for Python language support. Step number 5, manage extension. Disable, enable, in or uninstall extensions as needed. Manage installed extensions through the extension view. Step number 4, workspace recommendation. Extension can be recommended or required for specific projects through Workspace. Extension setting. Configure extension setting by accessing the gear icon in the extension view. Advanced features of the VS Studio. Step number 1, Task Runner. Use the integrated task runner to automate common tasks by creating and configuring tasks. Step number 2, Settings and Preferences. Customize VS Code's behavior using settings accessible through the gear icon at the bottom of the activity bar. User and workspace setting. Adjust user level and workspace specific settings to tailor the editor to your needs. Step number 4, snippets. Create and use code snippets to insert frequently used code blocks. Step number 5, Live share. Collaborate with others in real time using live shares for shared coding sessions. Step number 6, more development.